Friends, open PicsArt tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background today we are going to use. Okay, frame photo editing tutorial. First step, have to go to add photo and select the model image. It's very simple and easy tutorial. This is the model image today we are going to use. And now by using this cutout tool and tap on this brush, we're going to erase this background. Okay, simply draw on the model image. Now tap on tick. Okay, now tap on this eraser and you have to tap on this eraser and you have to erase this background. It will take so much of time, so I already did it. Okay, you have to erase the background. Okay, now I'm going back and I'm going to add it. I already did. Friends, it is how it look like after erasing the background completely. Now I have to tap on this flip rotate, tap on this third one, and I'm going to arrange this model perfectly in this portion like this. Okay, I'm going to arrange it perfectly like this. Okay, now tap on this shadow, tap on this position and keep it 100 and keep this 100. Tap on this adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 20. Okay, now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. Friends, this is the shadow PNG. Now arrange it in the center like this. Okay, below the model. Now tap on this layers, tap on this move down. Okay, and simply extend it like this. This gives the realistic shadow effect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to add the dog PNG and the model photos on the frame. Go to add photo. Okay, these are the two model images and this is a dog PNG. You have to arrange this dog in this portion like this. You can arrange it perfectly in this portion. Tap on this photo, tap on this opacity, decrease the opacity and arrange this model perfectly in this portion in the frame. You have to arrange this model in the frame like this. Now tap on this eraser, tap on this eraser, erase on the bottom portions like this, or erase it on the top portion. Okay, it is perfect. Tap on tick. Now increase the opacity. Perfect. Now take this model image, tap on opacity, decrease the opacity and arrange perfectly in this portion like this. Tap on eraser, tap on eraser, erase these unwanted portions on the top, on the bottom and the sides. Tap on tick, tap on opacity, increase the opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust and do the little touch up. Decrease little brightness, decrease little contrast, little clarity, saturation little more, highlights little bit, little shadow, little temperature. Now tap on tick. And you have to save this image in PicsArt and you have to jump into the Lightroom app. See you there. Open Lightroom application, tap on add photo and select the model image which we edited in PicsArt app. Tap on add photo, select the model image. First step, tap on auto adjust and you have to go to here, tap on colors, increase the saturation a little bit, decrease the hue. Tap on orange, hue little orange, little luminance. Tap on yellow, little yellow, decrease little hue. Tap on green, increase the saturation and decrease a little hue. Increase the blue color, increase the blue, little velvet, purple, little pink. Tap on it. Now go to here, increase the texture, clarity little bit, dehaze little bit and little vignette. Decrease the midpoint to 0. Tap on here, little sharpening, little noise reduction, little color noise reduction. Perfect. And finally our tutorial is completed. tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.